Hello children, today I'm going to show you how to do and use watercolor cakes. So first of all, let's prepare our watercolor cakes palette, and we will have our water container. It would be great if you have a container that has two different compartments or more. Otherwise, you can just use two separate containers. And remember, we just need half the amount of water, no matter the size of the container. And I have two different types of brushes, so it depends on the kind of brushes that you have. One of them I have is, with me, is a flat tip, which looks like that. Okay, and the other one is a round tip. I'll dip the brush in water first, but if you're trying to remove excess water, please do not do this. If you want to remove the excess water, just gently brush the side of the container. To wake the colors up, you need to apply some water. If you are using this flat brush, then I will repeat this motion about 10 times on one side of the brush, and then turn it over and repeat the same. The reason why I'm using a container with different compartments or two separate containers is because I don't want to dip my paintbrush in dirty water and then bring it back to my palette. You want to keep your watercolor cakes or color palette as clean as possible so that your painting will turn out vibrant. Look at what happens when I did not repeat that motion of brushing my watercolor cake about 10 times. I will end up painting the same area a lot of times. And if your paper is really thin, this can cause a hole in that same area. Next, I'm going to use a round paintbrush. Move your paintbrush in a circular motion. Do not do this to the paintbrush because you are going to spoil the bristle in the long term. Your paintbrush will be happier if you are using it like that. Now I'm going to show you how to blend colors with watercolor cake. Take the first color and apply it on the plastic cover. Use another brush and take the second color and blend it with the first. If your watercolor cake is contaminated with another color, this is one way to clean it.